Relax as we start to go into our time of silence, our time of meditation. And just take a slow, comfortable breath. Just allowing yourself to settle into this moment. Let the day go, let the plans go, let everything go. In this moment, there is truly nowhere that you need to go. Nothing you need to accomplish or nothing you need to fix. Just be present in this moment. Give yourself permission to be here fully. And just the willingness to become aware. Take another slow breath in and let it go. And as your body begins to relax, just imagine yourself you're just walking down this quiet road. And this road stretches out before you. And this road represents your life. It represents the relationships you've had, the opportunities you've experienced, the challenges you've faced, the lessons you've encountered. And as you walk down this road, begin to notice something. You notice that there's certain experiences seem strangely familiar. Perhaps different people have appeared in your life, yet somehow the same frustration has emerged. The same thing, different faces, same things. Different jobs, different circumstances, different seasons, yet somehow the feeling was familiar. The lesson was familiar. The challenge was familiar. And for just this moment, just simply allow yourself to wonder, what keeps showing up in my life? Don't try to force anything here, just notice. What challenges keep returning? What frustration keeps resurfacing? Is there a situation that seems to arrive wearing different clothes but carrying the same message? Just let whatever comes arise naturally. Again, we're not forcing anything, not trying to make anything happen. This is all about awareness. Maybe it's a relationship pattern or people pleasing, some type of conflict. Maybe it's money or self-doubt. Maybe it's something you've just never wanted to fully acknowledge. Whatever appears is welcome. There's no judgment here, only awareness. And take another deep breath in and let it go. Now just imagine that this recurring lesson is standing before you. This isn't a problem. This isn't the enemy. There's nothing to be judged here at all. Imagine this is just a messenger, a teacher, a lesson that's been trying to get your attention. Start to notice what's happening inside of you. What is your first reaction? Do you want to look away? Do you want to explain it? Do you want to defend it? Do you want to blame someone else or minimize it? Maybe you just want to pretend it isn't really there. Just notice. Become the observer. Remember that life presents a lesson. And often what happens is when we look at it, we get distracted, we avoid it, we deny it. Not because we're bad or because we're broken, but because sometimes, honestly, it can feel uncomfortable. But here's the thing. Awareness begins the moment we become willing to see what we've been unwilling to see. Take another good deep breath in. Let it go. And now ask yourself gently, what might I be avoiding? What truth have I not wanted to look at? What is life trying to show me? You don't need the whole answer today. You don't need the solution. You don't need a plan. Just a willingness to become aware, to become curious. And now I want you to imagine yourself standing before this lesson once again. And instead of running from it, instead of denying it, instead of distracting yourself, you just look at it. You become curious. You allow yourself to see it clearly. And as you do, you notice something begin to shift. Not because the lesson has changed, but because your relationship to the lesson has changed. And awareness is emerging. Awareness is the turning point. Awareness is where your freedom begins. Feel gratitude for yourself for willing to look at this, for your willingness to become conscious, for your willingness to see. Just remember, you don't have to change everything today. You don't have to solve everything today. Your only task is awareness, to see what has been hidden, to notice what's been repeating, and to become curious about what life may be trying to teach you, what your soul has been wanting to learn and understand. And perhaps as you leave this meditation today, carry one simple question with you. What lesson keeps returning, and what might it be trying to show me? And take one final deep breath in and let it go.